Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Elantra? Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.